What up, gang? So you can see I'm in a different scenery right now. I actually just bought my wife a 2024 Range Rover Sport. It's just black on black. We got the caramel interior. This motherfucker fly, right? Now, originally, I was gonna cop me the S-Class Mercedes. It was mad great. It was fire, bro. I was already doing the paperwork for it. I already put out $60K for the deposit. I was about to get it, bro. I really was. But then I was like, you know what? I don't even really care about this car, bro. Like, I want a Lamborghini. I don't want a Mercedes, bro. I want a Lamborghini. Like, the S-Class is cool, but it's not a Lambo, bro. Like, the Lambo is what I really been dreaming about. So I was like, you know what? If I get this car, it'll be settling. So I was like, you know what? Instead of getting this, I'm gonna go get my wife her dream car, and that is a Range Rover. I told her about 5 years ago, I made a promise to her, one day we gonna get out the mud, we gonna get out of this struggling, and I'm gonna get you a Range Rover. I made her this promise when we were starving. We had no money. It was her birthday. I couldn't do nothing but clean the room for her and make a little notebook that says 1 free massage, like just some bullshit, bro, because we didn't have no type of money. And I made her this promise that I'm gonna get you a Range Rover, and I just had that flashback, and I was like, you know what, fuck this S-Class, bro. I'm finna go cop my baby her dream car and let her live her dream right now, bro. I got the house. That's what I really wanted. I always wanted a mansion, bro. That's always been me. I never been one into cars. The only car I want is a Lamborghini, and I could have bought the Lamborghini, but I would have to pay the whole thing off cash because my credit report is not strong enough to go get a Lamborghini, bro. You gotta have like loans on your credit for like 200K and shit like that, bro. I don't have that, bro. So if I was gonna get the Lambo, I would have to pay it all off. I'm not doing that shit for a car. That's so dumb. I could change so many people's lives with that much money. And it's funny how God works, because the Mercedes I was at, there was actually a Range Rover store right across the street. So it was just meant to happen. I went over there, chopped it up with them. I said, hey, I want this color car with light interior. And he said, oh no, we don't get none of those. And then one of his coworkers said, hey bro, we just got one in this morning. We don't never have these. We just got it in. As soon as he said that, I said, okay, this is a sign from God that this is what I'm supposed to do. Because I was still a little back and forth. I was like, do I want to get the S-Class or do I want to get my baby her dream car? And once I heard that, I was like, God talking to me. I was like, okay, that's what we're doing. I said, let's get it done. So I got this new car. She has no idea. She thinks I got the S-Class. I put a picture on Instagram with me in front of my S-Class. So she really thought that I was getting it, bro. She thinks I have it right now. She's waiting for me to pull up. She thinks I'm pulling up in the Benz, but I actually got her her dream car. So you guys gonna come in with me. You guys gonna experience this with me. And I hope this shit motivates you guys. Show this shit to your girl and be like, you know what? You know, I'm making crazy promises right now, but they're gonna come true. And I promise you it will, because I'm gonna work hard for it. And it will come true, bro. I'm just like you guys. Same position, same everything, bro. I hope there's some motivation. Now let's go get to this, bro. Let's get to it. And next, I'm buying my mama a crib. Let's go. All right, babe, I'm finally back. New whip is here, babe. It's so sexy, babe. I gotta show you it. Come on, let's go. Pictures do not do it justice. You gotta come see it. Yeah, it's fire. You ready for this?
Yeah, it's been your dream car for a while.
I can't wait to show you, bro. I can't wait. Let's get it. But before we go out there, I need you to cover your eyes, right? It's a surprise. It's gonna be crazy when you see it. I need you to cover your eyes.
Don't tell me you didn't get black.
Just cover your eyes.
Oh my gosh, Carlos, what did you do? I told you no orange.
Come on.
Are you gonna lead me?
Oh, walk with me. Walk with me.
Take my hand.
Come on. The door's gonna hit you a little bit.
Tell me when I can open.
Don't peek. Close your
My eyes are literally shut.
All right, come on, follow me. Don't worry, I got you.
I'm not gonna hit nothing, am I?
No, you good, you good, you good.
Okay.
Oh, this is a bad motherfucker. Don't look it. Don't look.
Okay. I'm excited.
All right, stand right here. Okay, don't look. You're not looking, right?
Okay, yeah. You're building too much suspense. I'm getting scared.
All right.
You didn't do orange, right?
No. All right, 1, 2, 3. Look.
No.
Look. Hurry.
I don't want to.
Hurry. Yes, sir.
What did you do?
Yes, sir.
What did you do? Where are the handles?
That's all you, baby.
Babe.
That's all you.
No. I'm gonna cry.
What promise did I make to you 5 years ago? I'd get you a Range Rover.
That's been my dream car.
Yeah, we had to get the mansion first. Now we got the Range Rover. That's all you, baby.
Babe,
That's
you
all
didn't get
you.
your car.
No, I don't need that car. I want a Lambo.
I want to see.
That's all
Open.
you. I got you.
Stop. Wait. I need to do a full 360. They transferred to BBC too?
At nighttime, there's a symbol on the floor.
Stop it. Babe, I'm like actually like, who went with you? Because how did you know I wanted this interior?
Come on now. You know I gotta put a little flavor on it. Go ahead, sit in there. Hop up in there.
Oh my gosh, it smells like a new car. It smells like a brand new car. Good afternoon. It's missing Jennifer. Babe, you did not have to. Yeah, I'm glad you did. This isn't a joke, right? This isn't a joke.
No,
wait,
it's all
look
you.
at me.
It's
Look
all
at me.
you.
Look at me. It's not a joke.
No, that's all you. Look at
Oh,
this.
there's a moon. Where's the keys? I need to turn this on. I need to turn this on right now. I like that everything got transferred from the Honda already.
Damn.
You see that? Do you see that? Oh, babe, I could actually see our house. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this is all you?
Let me hop in the passenger seat. Hey, man, we do this shit, man. Yes, sir. We get a whole 360.
Do I look taller?
Yeah.
I just adjusted it to my thing. I put it on memory now.
Look at you.
Babe, I don't believe it.
Yeah, I already got the car seat back here. The guy had to help me. I didn't even know how to do it.
Okay, let me hold on. Ooh, it's 32.
Alright, man, it has a refrigerator in here.
No, you're lying.
Yeah, it's a refrigerator right
there. Stop.
Yep.
What's this?
You
Oh, is that to turn it on?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's already cold. Ooh, cold water.
Refrigerator. You got a cell phone charging right here.
Wait, what the heck?
Already got the baby camera set up.
What the heck?
Yes, sir.
This is that new technology. I love the colors. I need to go car shopping. Like accessories.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna girlify it. I'm gonna girlify it. My thing.
I wanted to get you like a white interior, but they didn't have it though. But this is
no, this.
Yeah, because when I drive this shit, I gotta look player.
Babe, I'm literally matching.
Yeah, it gives me Louis Vuitton vibes.
It does. Wait, where's my purse? Bro, I have the color scheme. Babe, it matches my aesthetic. Let me put my watch on. I need one. Oh, babe. I'm like literally so freaking happy. You don't even understand. Like,
yeah, when you put it in sports mode too, it changes the whole attitude.
Stop.
Too.
Oh, wait. I have to learn this.
Yep.
I'm used to the buttons.
Yeah, there's a button right here in the back. You gotta push it first, and then you can move it back. It has 360 cameras, all types of shit. Yeah,
wait. How do you do this?
Don't crash this now, though.
No, I have my foot on the brake. This is you?
You got that 360 view right there. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of features. I don't even remember everything he told me. It'll park itself too. That should park itself. Yep.
You're lying. Babe, you're so sweet. I thought you were getting your S-Class.
No, I'll just wait for my Lambo. You know I don't even care about cars like that, but a Lambo, I gotta make sure you're straight first.
Yeah, I love you. I love you too. No, but I love it. I love the colors. This is my mom car. It feels like it's mine already. Like
it is yours, and then the
I haven't broken in. I haven't scratched up the tires yet. Just kidding.
The sound system is crazy.
Is it? You were bumping it over here, huh?
You can put the seats down. We got trunk space. You can't see nothing with this big ass.
I have to see the trunk. Yeah. Do we need a new car seat?
Yeah, we need a new car seat, bro. That's just too big.
Yeah. Oh, baby needs to see it. She's asleep right now. She needs to see it. Babe, she's gonna love the moonroof.
Yep.
She's good. Bro, I'm so obsessed. I literally don't even know what to say. I can't like explain what I feel right now. Like I want to cry so bad, but you know, not on camera. But babe,
yeah, it's just fire. You thought I was getting the S-Class real. I put a picture on Instagram.
No, I was low-key mad. Yeah, because I seen the picture, and then I was like, I don't want to like go from a SUV to like a little car, because like with a kid and like, you know, but I was like, you know, he works hard. He should get whatever he wants. But you're so sweet.
Yeah, but when I get my Lambo, I don't want to hear nothing though.
No, because I'm keeping this one.
Yeah.
So you can get a little side piece car. On the side. Little side piece car. Huh?
I'm playing. I'm just playing.
Yeah, no, instantly boxer mode.
But yeah, but I hope you like this car. I love you.
No, babe, seriously, this is my dream car.
I know.
Do you remember that you told me the next car was gonna be mine?
Yeah, I promised you that I made you so many promises.
Yes, that literally keeping your word. Literally. You told me that you were gonna get me my dream car, my dream house. It's a mega mansion, and now I've got the car to match.
See, like a lot of people, when you're broke, you make these promises like on birthdays and Valentine's Day because we ain't got no money.
Yeah.
So I'd clean the room up and I'd be like, babe, one day I'm gonna get you a Range Rover, or one day I'm gonna get you a mansion, just watch. And it took a couple years, but we made it happen.
Yeah.
So that's why I be telling you guys, like, bro, stop sleeping, bro. Stop fucking wasting time. Like, make this shit work, bro. Put all the hours in, all the sacrifices, and your whole life's gonna change.
Yeah.
We're in a mansion and in a Range Rover, bro.
That's
it's
crazy.
ridiculous.
If you could have told us this when we were like in the Covina days, like 6-7 years ago, I would have been like, you're lying.
Yeah.
You're lying. Because when he would ask me what's my dream car, because he would always tell me my dream car is a Benz and da-da-da. And I was like, I don't have one. Because like, I knew it was a Range Rover, but I was like, that is too out of the picture. Like, that is way, like, I still don't believe this is mine. Like,
yeah, and you see the miles on there? There's only 50 miles on here. It's brand new.
This is nice. I didn't even notice this.
Yeah.
I have the maps and the car.
Yeah, it's brand new. I had to take the stickers off the damn car. It's brand new.
Ooh.
Boss shit only. By the end of the year, I'm
Babe.
getting a Lambo.
They give you a water bottle?
Oh yeah, they give me a water bottle. They treat you right when you start spending some money.
What else you...
Take your Snapchat pictures, your Instagram
I'm gonna
pictures.
call my dad.
Yeah, do what you gonna do. I'm gonna go talk to the
call my
gang.
dad.
But yeah, gang, that's what it's all about. New Range Rover, happy wife, happy life.
Daddy!
Oh my gosh, she's calling her dad.
Oh, you're so young.
Yeah, but let's go inside. We're gonna chop it up. But yeah, gang, that's what it's all about. You know, making the people happy that stood down with you, believed in you when no one else did. I really wanted the S-Class. Like, that's one of my dream cars, but it's like, I don't really care about cars like that, bro. Like, I really don't. Unless it's a Lambo, then I'll care about it, or a Rolls Royce. But like a Mercedes, I'm not even really, you know, it's cool. But, you know, I could have got both if I wanted, but I'm not even tripping about that. I wanted a big house, bro. That's what I wanted. I always wanted a big house because I always had bullshit ass houses. You guys seen the house that I lived in where the kitchen was my laundry room? You guys didn't see the house where the living room was my bedroom. Like, it's just been a lot of bullshit houses with roaches and rats and shit. So I always wanted like a huge mansion, bro, where I could just be like, damn, you made it. And I got it. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna let my girl have her nice little car so she could show off to her friends and family. You know what I mean? I'll get my Lambo next year, or maybe by the end of this year, who knows? But that Lambo coming for sure. That car I want. Now I'm gonna be selfish with that car. I want that shit. But life is just great right now, bro. Life is great. And I just hope all you guys can feel what I'm feeling and experience what I'm experiencing. And you guys can. It's possible. There's nothing special about me. You guys seen the whole come up from start to end. You guys could do this shit. Just put in the work. Don't make no excuses and give your life to Jesus and everything will work out. I promise. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.